Also, I'm trying to make chicken fry today. I've added all the masalas and we're adding some vinegar. We're adding some chili sauce. We've added all the chicken masala and dhania powder and ginger garlic paste, some lemon and some curd. Let's go ahead and wait for the nice chicken fry. Medium flame for at least 10 minutes. Yeah, this is medium. And see how does it look after 15 minutes. So this is the fried chicken which I have cooked and I'm going to take the first bite. Let me take it. Lovely. Can't imagine the taste. Wow, nice.
Watermelons.
Okay. Alright, so the major blunder what I have made in this IKEA cot is I did not order the base. The bed base which we are supposed to order on IKEA is I forgot to add. And you can see I'll show you what is missing. This bed is looking perfect but you cannot sleep on it. Ask me why and I'll show you. Let me lift it. Yeah! Right? So there is supposed to be a bed base, there will be a wooden bed base which we are supposed to order but we didn't do it. So that's why that's a big miss. I have ordered it on IKEA. So let's wait for it. I'll show you in the next vlog how we are supposed to fix it and the bed will all ready to use. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.